All right, guys, heading over to the Anaheim Convention Center. We're going to be filming at the NAMM Show, big convention for musical instruments, electronics, anything and everything dealing with, I guess, musical stuff. Also, we'll be filming for Shure Audio at their booth. It's huge, as well as Hypervision, which is like this holographic thing that I don't know. They have a display over there. We're going to check it out. Yeah, so it should be a fun day. We got V and Eric over there now filming. I'm gonna meet them up and do some interviews, get some photos, get some video, and create a highlight video for them, as well as photos. And yeah, and see what else we can get. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be crazy over there. All right, see you there. Pro tip, make sure you guys unload any gear that you had from the previous shoot, because this is an overkill for what we're doing today. We're doing run and gun style, but then again, I forgot to, well, not forget, but I guess it's just common sense, just to unpack all the gear that you're not using for the day, and then yeah, and head out and do your thing. And you got this upside down case. I don't know what I was thinking. Got my badge, about to head in and get some shots. Man, pretty big convention here, just trying to get through everyone, trying to find the booth. The team's already there, trying to catch up, but pretty cool convention over here at the NAMM convention. Pretty good, trying to get some good stuff. Look at this guy playing. Awesome. Check out all these guitars. Sick. And so back in the day in high school, I used to actually play for or play on the marching band, jazz band. I actually played the trombone. It's kind of cool. I was at the wrong hall, so now I have to go all the way down into this A hall, which looks pretty dope. We actually use these lights over at our studio. Pretty cool. Right, headed into A Hall now. Lots of stuff going on here. We're about to head to our booth, the Shure booth, Shure Audio. And yeah, we'll see you there. All right, guys, we're here at the Shure booth at the NAMM Show in the Anaheim Convention Center. We're filming B-roll. We're filming just for the whole booth for Shure and Hypervision. Just trying to get some good shots. Gonna be a fun day. Yeah, lots going on today. All right, so we're here, and Eric is interviewing one of the Shure representatives, trying to get some good content here. Looking good. Oh, that's loud, but it's okay. We got a mic on. We got Shure's mic actually. What are you working on today?
Well, today I'm on the gimbal, getting some B-roll for Shure and Hypervision. I'm also using a Sony A7IV today on 16 and 35.
Here we go again. Let me see.
Hey Eric, what are you doing today?
I do the B-roll and interview, and with gimbal and camera, Sony camera B4.
Hi, welcome back.
Okay.
I gotta conserve my energy because the gimbal is like 10 pounds.
The gimbal is 10 pounds.
Yeah. Maybe like 10.2.
10.2 pounds. That gimbal is 10.2 pounds, she said.
Doing some bicep workout right now, just doing this. Start from here and get a long shot.
Yeah, do it. of Shure and Hypervision, making sure I get all the good product shots, interaction shots, people hugging, shaking hands, just pretty much anything that looks good for sure. Having a good time out here though. We got V here getting some B-roll, trying to get some shots of the crowd at the Shure booth, just to show that tons of people are here. We got a good crowd going here at Shure. Always a good crowd. I think they're gonna have tons of guest bands here, trying to promote their equipment. Some good stuff here. Good merch here, giveaways, freebies, looks sick. Getting that waves in, getting those waves in. We got V here getting some crowd reactions towards the band. Now we got Eric here trying to get some shots of people checking out this display here, this hologram display, part of Shure's display. All right, so one of NAMM's displays here is Hypervision, which is pretty much a hologram that they add here at the front so people can see it, and which will hopefully attract them to go to their booth downstairs. This is Hypervision's display that Shure is using. Back down to get some B-roll here with Eric at the Shure booth. Boom, boom, boom. About to get it. Our goal is to get as much coverage as we can so we can create a great highlight video for Shure. Eric here is about to get the nice establishing shots of the whole Shure booth. There Eric goes, trying to get into that spot to get the shot. Carrie getting some product shots of all the different devices, equipment they got going on. Alright, we got Eric here making sure we have shots of our client interacting with different customers and people. You know, we like to film our VIPs and get tons of shots of them, you know, just to show them, and you know, usually people like being shown on camera. So yeah, we got him doing that, making sure we get our VIPs. Right, we're here at the setup for the band. Got everything set up in here. Pretty cool. And they also have an array of cameras up there to get kind of like a, I don't know, one of those 3D kind of things right there. We got Eric and V going over some shots, just showing the different stuff that they got, getting some feedback, and just making sure that, you know, they can get really good shots throughout the day. It's really good just to collaborate and kind of show each other what they got so they can come up with better shots. So it's always great to get interaction of people with the booth and their activations. So yeah, there we go. We got some good shots here of people just interacting with Shure's mics. Yeah, crazy guy. All right, we're here at the NAMM Show. Just got finished filming for Shure, the Shure booth, and the Hypervision. Yeah, it was a fun shoot. Lots of people, good turnout. Got lots of great shots. And stay tuned for the finished video. Like and subscribe.